Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your friend Sonu Punia and today I am here with a new video of question answer of second chapter Nelson Mandela Long Walk to Freedom. And here our first question is like this. Where did the ceremonies take place? Can you name any public buildings in India that are made of sandstone? What is asked that where did the ceremonies take place? कौन सी सेरेमनी हुई थी? किस सेरेमनी की बात कर रहे हैं हमारे साथ? They are asking when the free elections or democratic elections were held in South Africa. After that the inauguration ceremony was held. That question is asked to us. So the answer is this. In the campus of Union Buildings of Amphitheatre in Pretoria, many leaders and dignitaries attended the ceremony. What is said that the ceremony was held in the Union Buildings of Amphitheatre. कहाँ हुई थी? Amphitheatre में हुई थी in Pretoria. और who has attended the ceremony? Many leaders, dignitaries of more than 140 countries all over the world attended the ceremony. The next question is asked, public buildings in India that are made of sandstone. Which stone? Sandstone. So, here are two buildings, Rashtrapati Bhavan and Red Fort. These are made of sandstone. So friends, here our second question is like this. How can you say 10th May is an autumn day in South Africa? हम कैसे कह सकते हैं कि जब 10th मई को उनका फ्री इलेक्शंस हुआ था, डेमोक्रेसी आ गई थी उनके देश में, तो ऑटम डे कैसे था? बिकॉज चैप्टर में नेल्सन मंडेला जी ने लिखा है ऑन द ऑटम डे. तो ऑटम डे ऐसे था बिकॉज एज साउथ अफ्रीका इज इन द साउथर्न हेमिस्फीयर, इट मे फॉल्स इन द ऑटम सीजन. सो 10th May इज एन ऑटम डे. जो साउथ अफ्रीका है वो मतलब अर्थ पर उस पार्ट पर है कि मतलब उस दिन ऑटम डे ही हो, वो साउथर्न हेमिस्फीयर में है. दैट्स व्हाई 10th May was an autumn day. Okay, so friends, our third question is this. At the beginning of his speech, Mandela mentions an extraordinary human disaster. What does he mean by this? What does the glorious human achievement he speaks of at the end? मंडेला जी ने जब एड्रेस किया था लोगों को, तब उन्होंने कहा था कि एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी ह्यूमन डिजास्टर क्या था? एक्स्ट्रा ह्यूमन डिजास्टर was the practice of apartheid system in South Africa. During this, a lot of people suffered of segregation on racial basis. Mandela himself spends many years in an infamous Robben Island. And glorious human achievement is this. After the centuries, Mandela became first black president of South Africa, winning 252 seats in ever first democratic elections held in South Africa for the centuries. Here, extraordinary human disaster ये है कि उनके देश में बहुत सालों से अपार्थाइड सिस्टम चलता आ रहा था. In apartheid system, peoples were segregated on the basis of their races, color, and many more discrimination were there in apartheid system. Most of the people suffered of this system. They were unable to fulfill their twin obligations. What were twin obligations? Twin obligations, first obligation for their family, second most powerful obligation for their country. If they tried to fulfill that obligation, they were isolated from their family, country, and tortured for many brutal types of peoples. So second glorious achievement was that when elections were held, when democracy was held, there was no rule of any more white peoples. After that, glorious achievement ये था कि एक ऐसा दिन आया, एक ऐसा चमकता हुआ सितारा जैसा दिन आया कि फर्स्ट ब्लैक प्रेसिडेंट बने थे हमारे मंडेला जी, और जिन्होंने 252 सीट्स जीती थी. हाउ मेनी? 252 seats out of 400 seats. out of 400 seats. ओके, ये बहुत मेन पॉइंट है, यू मस्ट नोट दिस पॉइंट इन योर नोटबुक. ओके, तो ये था हमारा ग्लोरियस अचीवमेंट. बहुत संघर्ष करने के बाद बहुत लोगों ने अपने लाइफ के साथ सेक्रीफाइस किया. उनके अंदर जो जुनून था, उन्होंने उस जुनून के तहत अपने लोगों को आज़ाद करवाया. और फिर एक ऐसा दिन भी आया आखिरकार जो लोगों ने इमेजिन भी नहीं किया था कि वो कभी फ्री होंगे, बट दे became free and they all sang, danced and enjoyed with each other on the inauguration ceremony of first democratic elections. Okay, this was the third question. So friends, our next question is this: what does Mandela thank the international leaders for? जब मंडेला जी ने इंटरनेशनल लीडर्स को थैंक किया था तो उन्होंने क्यों किया था? Why did he do this? So the reason is this: Mandela felt very privileged to welcome the international dignitaries in the swearing ceremony because not too long South Africa were considered outlaw, and this was the historic ceremony to be held after centuries of apartheid system and discrimination system. This was a gesture of international recognition for a free nation. It could be considered as a common victory for justice, peace, and dignity. But he said that Mandela thanked international dignitaries or leaders because he felt privileged to welcome them, as before the free elections or before democracy in South Africa was considered as outlaw. It was considered as a poor or low type of country. So, and this was the historic ceremony held after the inauguration ceremony of democratic elections. ये एक ऐसी सेरेमनी थी कि मतलब जिसने किसी भी देश ने या फिर खुद साउथ अफ्रीका के पीपल्स ने भी इमेजिन नहीं किया होगा कि ऐसा भी दिन हो सकता है कि हम फ्री हो सकते हैं. That we could be free of the bars, we could be free of the prejudice system, we could be free of the chains on us, on our peoples. So that was the historic ceremony to be held. This was a gesture of international recognition for a free nation. ये एक ऐसी सेरेमनी थी जिसे एक इंटरनेशनल देश बनाने के लिए साउथ अफ्रीका को एक फ्री नेशन के तौर पर लोगों के सामने प्रेजेंट करने के लिए एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म बना था कि इनॉग्रेशन सेरेमनी की जाए और डिग्निटरीज को बुलाया जाए और उन्हें थैंक किया जाए, सो दैट साउथ अफ्रीका कुड ऑल्सो बी शोन एज अ फ्री नेशन, डेमोक्रेटिक नेशन. इट कुड बी कंसिडर्ड एज अ कॉमन विक्ट्री फॉर जस्टिस, पीस एंड डिग्निटी. ये जो जीत हुई थी, ये जो विक्ट्री हुई थी, वो किसकी हुई थी? जस्टिस की, न्याय की, पीस की, शांति की और डिग्निटी, सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट. जो उन्होंने बहुत ज़्यादा संघर्ष करके, बहुत ज़्यादा लड़ाई करके लोगों से अपना हक छीना था, जो पीपल्स के पास अपने राइट्स थे. दे वर ब्रूटली किल्ड बाय द वाइट मैन्स ऑफ देयर ओन लैंड. तो उन्होंने जो ब्लैक पीपल्स है उन्होंने बहुत लड़ाई की, बहुत संघर्ष किया. And in the previous question, Mandela too was isolated in a Robben Island for how many years? 30 years. After that, they won the victory. They won a very glorious achievement of justice, peace and dignity. Okay? So friends, our next question is this: what ideals does Mandela set for the future South Africa? Which ideals were set by the South African president, first black president, Mr. Nelson Mandela, for his country? So the ideals of liberating peoples of the bondage of poverty, deprivation, discrimination and sufferings. Ideals for society where there would be no discrimination on the basis of gender, caste, race, etc. What is said कि नेल्सन मंडेला जी ने ऐसे कौन से सिद्धांत, ऐसे कौन से आदर्श स्थापित किए थे अपने देश के लिए, अपने पीपल्स के लिए, फॉर द ब्लैक पीपल्स, की आइडियल्स कौन से आदर्श सेट किए थे? लिबरेटिंग पीपल्स. लिबरेटिंग मीन्स फ्री फ्रॉम रिस्ट्रिक्शंस. free from restrictions. उन्होंने अपने लोगों को आजाद कराया था किसकी कैद से? फ्रॉम द बॉन्डेज ऑफ फ्रॉम द बार्स ऑफ पॉवर्टी, डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, डिप्राइवेशन एंड सफरिंग्स and from the apartheid system, discrimination system of the white peoples held in South Africa. उन्होंने अपने लोगों के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा लड़ाई लड़ी थी, बहुत ज़्यादा संघर्ष किया था कि उनके लोगों के ऊपर जो चेन्स हैं, जो बार्स हैं, वो खुल जाएं और वो आज़ाद हो जाएं. किससे आज़ाद हो जाएं? फ्रॉम द प्रेजुडाइज, नैरो माइंडेडनेस एंड फ्रॉम fulfilling their twin obligation. When they tried to fulfill their obligations, they were kept isolated from their family, from their country. And discrimination of the peoples of these are black peoples, these are white peoples. White peoples will have more privilege, black peoples will not have any privilege. This kind of discrimination, for that Nelson Mandela fought, and they won victory after centuries of very long struggle. And this was the ideal set by the Nelson Mandela for his future South Africa. So friends, this is our video, first part of oral comprehension, and you can watch my next video. The link is given in the description box. And thank you so much for watching my video. And please like, share, comment and subscribe this video, because बहुत जल्द हमारी next video आने वाली है और जिसमें हम पढ़ेंगे next थिंकिंग अबाउट टेक्स्ट, और जो ओरल कंप्रिहेंशन के कुछ क्वेश्चंस ले रखे हैं वो भी मैं आपको जल्दी ही समझा दूंगी इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. टिल देन, गुड बाय, हैव अ नाइस डे फ्रेंड्स. थैंक यू.